Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create enhancement requests in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to the setup and then you will need just to search for the approval processes in setup. After that, we will be able to start creating approval processes. So basically you will need to choose any object that you want to create an approval for and then just go and click on create new approval process, and either you can uh, the standard setup wizard or the jumpstart wizard. So let's go for the standard one. If you want to have more control on it, or jumpstart to have more easier uh, setup. So here you give it a name, so you can give it any name. So let's just name it new or anything, a new process. It will create a unique name, and then you will need just to specific the entry criteria for this approval process. For example, we want to have the account name or the city to be, I don't know, you can do the billing city, it can be equals to a value or anything that you would like. Then you would need just to go and click save, and basically uh, let's just click OK. And now we need just to add something, so let's just leave it none and click on save, because we need to have a valid specific criteria. So now you will need just to add the steps for your approval. So we go to the detail page, and from here we find the step number one. After that, you will need to start creating the second step, or the second step for your approval steps. And for example, for this step, it can be an alert or something if the approval of the first step is denied or something like that. So you can just add a new name and give it a name. And of course, it is the number step, step number two. And of course, if you want to apply this on all the records or only on some criteria. And basically, here you can, and it will be the same as the first step. We can just create and click on save, and of course you can either create a new approval for this step or anything that you would like. Now we click on go. Let's just cancel this one, and then we can go for the approval processes, and we will find we need to go to our process, and we will find the step one and two. And of course you can show the actions, and you can add new action, for example, to send an email alert if you would like, in case of approval or rejection action. And basically you will need just to create as many steps that you would like, or as many approval processing until you get what you like or what you need, and then you will need just to save, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.